Namaste. Hi, my dear Dantika student. How are you? I am fine. I hope you are fine. Today we are discussing about exercise 14.1. Sixth problem. Okay. Page number. Page number 337. Okay. Look at the problem. The table below shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 households in a locality. Okay. Now find the mean daily expenditure on food by using a suitable method. Okay. Or by a suitable method. Okay. Now the daily expenditure is given and the number of households is given. Now you have to find the mean value of number of households. Okay, mean what you have to find the mean. So here we are doing the sixth problem by using, here we are finding the mean value by using direct method. Okay, so these are the class intervals and this is the class frequency. Okay, FIR. What do you have to count the FIR? 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 to 12, 21. 21 to 2, 23. 23 by 2, 25. Okay? 25. Okay? Sigma Fi equal to 25. Okay? Now, X-ray value. And the X-ray is what? Upper boundary plus upper boundary by 2. So, 100 plus 150 equal to 250. 250 by 2, 125. Okay? 125. Okay? Now, net. 150 by 200 how much? 350. 350 by 2. 350 by 2, 175. 175. 175. Okay? Now, 200 by 250, 450. 450 by 2. Lower boundary plus upper boundary by 2. So, 200 by 250. How much? 450. 450 by 2. How much? 225. 225. Okay? 225. Okay? Now, 250 plus 300 how much? 250 plus 300 how much? 550. 550 by 2, 275. 275. 275. 275. Okay? Now, 300 by 350, 650. 650 by 2. 650 by 2 means 325. Okay? 325. 325. Okay? Now, here X-ray now F into X-ray. Okay? That is nothing but 125 for that. 4 5 are 20. Okay? 4 5 are 22. Okay? Next 4 2 are 80. 8 to 2, 10. Okay? 4 plus 1, 5. 500. Okay? Next. 5 5 are 175 into 5. 5 5 are 25. 2. 5 5 are 25. Okay? Now 5 7 are 35. 35 with 2, 37. 37. Okay? 37. Okay? Now 37. Okay, now 5 under 5, 558. 558. Okay, now 225 into 12. 225 into 12. Okay, 250. Okay, 256. Okay, now 256. Okay, now 24 by 6, 30. 33. Okay, now 2 to the 24. 24 by 3, 27. 27. Okay, now. Okay, now 275 into 2, 450. 275 into how much? 210. Okay, 210. Okay, 214. 14 by 15. Okay, now 15. Okay, again. Now 2 to the 4, 4 is 5. Okay, now again 2 by 10. 2 by 10. 2 to the 4, 2 by 4 is 5. 4 is 5. Okay, 2 to the 6. Okay, these are the FI values. Okay, by multiplying the corresponding FI and XI values, we got these values. Okay, now add total values. Okay, now how 500 plus 875 2700 next 550 oh sorry okay 550 no 550 next 650 okay 650 okay now add them 5 okay now again 7 plus 10 7 plus 5 12 plus 5 17 okay next 1 carry 1 plus 5 6 6 plus 8 14 plus 7 21 plus 5 26 plus 6 32 okay now 2 plus 3 5 so sigma fx is nothing but 5275 okay now we got sigma fi value and sigma fx value okay now we have to calculate the mean value by using direct methods okay we have to calculate the mean by using direct method okay now using direct method what is the formula sigma xy equal to sigma fx sigma fx sigma fi. Okay, now equal to 5275 by 25. Okay, now simplify. Okay, now 5 times 50. Okay, 5 times 50. Put up to 27. 5 minus 25. Okay, 5 minus 25. Put up means 25. 5 minus 25. Okay, now 5 minus 25. Okay, now 5 and 5. 5 to the 10. 5 and 5. 5 and 5. Okay, so that equal to 211 by 1. 211 by 1. That equal to 211. Okay, so that is nothing but mean value. So the mean daily expenditure of households is 211. Okay, this is the sixth problem by using direct method. Okay, next problem we can do now. We are discussing about seventh problem. Okay, in 14.1 exercise. This is the problem. To find the concentration of SO2 into what? SO2 gas. Okay, to find the concentration of SO2 in the air in parts per million. ppm. ppm into what? Parts per million. Okay, now and the data was collected for 30 localities. Okay, the data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city and its presented below. Table is given. Okay, now we have to find the mean concentration of SO2 in air. Okay, that we have to find now. Okay, by using step deviation method. Okay, we are finding out the mean value of SO2 concentration in air by using step deviation method. Okay, now the data is 0102, 0104, 0104 to 0108, 0108 to 0112, 0112 to 0116, 0116 to 0120, 0120 to 0124. Okay, the frequencies are 499242. Okay, now sigma Fi. What the sigma Fi value? Count the Fi value. Okay, hold the time. 13 plus 9. 21 to 2, 23. 21 to 2, 23. Okay, 4 plus 9, 13. 13 plus 9, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. 24 plus 4, 26. 22 plus 4. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 plus 9, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. 28 plus 2, 30. So sigma Fi equal to 30. Okay? Any doubt? No. 0.002, 0.44. This is the boundary value, this is the upper boundary value. So by 2, 0.000, 0.00 plus 0.04 by 2. So 0.04 by 2, that is nothing but 0.02. 0.02. Okay? 0.02. Okay? Now 0.04 plus 0.04 plus 0.08 into 0.12. 0.12 by 2. 0.06. Okay? 0.06. Okay? Next 8 to 12, 20. 0.20 by 20. So 0.10. 0.10. Okay? Now 0.12 by 0.16. 0.28. 0.28 by 2. 0.14. Okay? 0.14. Okay? Now 0.16 plus 0.20. 0.36. 0.36 by 2. 0.18. 0.18. 0.18. Okay? Next. Okay? No problem. Okay, now 0.10. So this is 0.14. Corresponding X-ray value 0.14. So this is 0.18. 0.18. Okay, now again 0.22. Okay, now height is 0.04. No. So at 0.02 each and every value. So we can get it as 0.22. 0.22. Okay, now in this I am taking 0.10. 0.10 as a value. Okay, so what is A? A equal to 0.10. Okay, now Di equal to what do you know? X minus A. So 0.02 minus 0.10 minus 0.08. Okay, so 0.02 minus 0.10. Okay, so this is bigger than this. So we are getting minus symbol. Okay, now same 0.06. 0.06. 0.06 minus 0.10. So that is nothing but 0.04. 0.04. Okay? 0.04. Okay? Now 0.10 minus 0.10, 0. Okay? Now 0.14 minus 0.10, 0.04. 0.04. Okay? 0.18 minus 0.10, 0.08. Okay? 0.08. Okay? Next. 0.22 minus 0.10, 0.12. 0.12. Okay, now DI is completed. Now UI equal to what? UI equal to DI by H. UI equal to DI by H. DI by H value. Okay, H equal to what? 0.05 minus 0.00, and then nothing but 0.04. Okay, so H equal to H equal to 0. H equal to 0.04. Okay, now DI by H. So 0.08 with 0.04 minus 2. Okay, 0.04 with 0.04. 0.04 with 0.04 minus 1. Okay, now 0 by 0.04 0. Net 0.04 by 0.04 1. Okay, now 0.08 by 0.04 2. Okay, now 0.12 by 0.04 3. Okay, now FI UI. Okay, 4 to the 8 minus 8. Okay, now 9 1 the 9 minus 9 percent minus 9 0 the 0. Okay, now 2 1 the 2. Okay, 4 to the 8. Okay, then 2 3 the 6. Okay, now what we got? The values of FIUI. Okay, the value of FIUI we got. Okay, now you have to count the values of sigma FIUI. Okay, sigma FIUI. Okay, minus 8 minus 9, minus is a minus plus. So 8 plus 9 minus 17. Okay, plus 2 plus 8 10. 10 plus 6 16. 16 plus 0 0. So plus 16. Okay, 17 minus 16 minus 1. Okay, this is the values of the FI, sigma FI, A, H and sigma FI UI. Now we have to calculate the mean value. Okay. We have to calculate the mean value. Wait up to the variation method. Okay. Multiplication method, you have to calculate the value. Okay. Okay. So sigma xy equal to A plus sigma FI UI by sigma FI UI by sigma FI into H. Okay? Here I what? 0.10. 0.10. Plus sigma F I what? -1. -1 by -1/30. 30. Okay? Into 0.04. 0.04. Okay? This is the value. Now what we have to do? 0.10 okay, plus of minus 0.04 1 into 0.04 by 30. Okay, now okay, now what do you do? You do ACM. Okay, now 0.01 can be the 1/100. 1/100. Pressing the minus 4/30 into 100. 4/30 into 100. Okay? 4/30 into 100. We are converting the system into fraction. Okay? Now, 2 to the 215. Okay? So that equal to 1/100 minus 2/50 into 100. 2/50 into 100. Okay? 2/50 into 100. So now take 1/100 common. 1/100 means what? 2/50. Okay? 1/100 means what? 1/100 take 0.01. Okay? 0.0. Sorry. Take 1/100 common. So 1/100 into 1 minus 2/15. 2/15. Okay? Now 51 15 minus 2 13. Okay? Take ACM. 1/100 into 15 minus 2. 15 minus 2/15. Okay? So 15 minus 2/15 how much? 13/15. 1/100 into 13/15. 13/15. Okay? 13/15. Okay? Now 13/15. Okay? So the value is x bar equal to x bar equal to 13/15 how much? 13 divided by 15. Do 13 divided by 15. Do 15. Take 0 point. Okay? 0 point. 15 is 120. 15 is 120. Okay? 10. Again 100. 15 is 90. So approximately what? 0.8. Okay. So 1/100 into 1/100 into 0.86. Okay. So equal to 0.86 by 0.86 by 100. Okay. So that is nothing but 0.0086. Okay. 0.0086 ppm. Okay. So the value of the mean value of the mean concentration of SO2 in air is 0.0086 ppm. Okay. Now
నేను డైలీ 3:30కి లింక్ పెడతా లింక్ మీరు